Which of the following expressions is equivalent to sine 24 degrees times cosine 66 degrees, positive cosine 24 degrees times sine 66 degrees? Okay, in the given answer choices, I have to find the expression that is equivalent to the given expression over here. The idea to solve the problem is we have to get the value of the given expression using Desmos. Then we have to get the values of the expression in the answer choices, and we have to pick the one that gives the same value of the given expression. And here, each angle measure is given in degrees in the given question. In Desmos, I will add the angle measure in radians. Our first work is to change the angle measure to degrees in Desmos. For that, we have to go to the graph settings on the right side top corner. Over here, click on it. Here, the angle measure is in radians. Click on degrees. Now, in Desmos, the angle measure is changed to degrees. Let's evaluate the value of the given expression. That is sine 24 degrees times cosine 66 degrees, positive cosine 24 degrees times sine 66 degrees. Here I got the value of the given expression, that is 1. Now let me evaluate the value of the expression in answer choice A, that is 2 times cosine 66 degrees times sine 24 degrees. Here I got the value that is 0.33. Anyways, the expression we have in answer choice A does not give the value of the given expression, that is 1. We can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let me evaluate the value of the expression in answer choice B, that is 2 times cosine 66 degrees, positive 2 times cosine 24 degrees. Okay, here for the expression answer choice B, I don't get the value 1 that we have for the given expression. So we can reject answer choice B as well. Okay, let me do it. Now we can take the expression that we have in answer choice C, that is cosine 66 degrees whole square positive sine 24 degrees the whole square. Okay, here I got the value of the expression answer choice C. So for this expression also I don't get the value 1. So we can reject answer choice C. Now let's consider the expression in answer choice D. That is cosine 60, let me type it, cosine 66 degrees, the whole square, positive cosine 24 degrees, the whole square. Here I got the value of the expression in answer choice D, that is 1. For the given expression, 1. So the given expression and the expression in answer choice D, both of them have the same value. So this is the expression that is equivalent to the given expression. The correct answer choice for this question is D.